Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen to give you your favorite cooking, your favorite dishes. We love to cook every day. We cook, guys, because we love it. We love to share our idea, our food. If you got one, please share it with us. Anyway, today we're gonna show you how you can make yourself sweet chili chicken in the oven at home. Remember, we already marinated the sweet chili chicken 24 hours ago. Now we're gonna show you how to cook it inside of the oven. Basically, it's gonna take roughly 35 minutes the least to cook inside of the oven. Gas mark 8 or 9 is good. It's a high temperature, but it's really good. Put it in the middle of the oven where you will love it, and I will love it to put it in the middle of my oven. Anyway, hopefully you will like the recipe. You can serve with some carrot stick or some boiled newly potato with butter and herbs. Enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching the cooking program. Get a copy of my cooking book. Remember, get the copy. Yes, they tell me that the other day that you're gonna get a copy. Hopefully you get the copy. Thank you so much, and hopefully we'll see you soon. And nice. Remember 24 hours ago we marinate the chicken. Here it is. I just put inside of my tray. And now what I'm gonna do is to put it straight inside of my oven. Gas mark. One of the first, guys. Can you see that? Gas mark 7. Yes, that's gas mark 7. And to be honest, I know you guys will love it. So basically, that's the chicken. We're gonna put it straight inside of the oven, and I know you're gonna love it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. Under those red and green what you see on top of it is just the pepper to give it a lovely flavor. Sweet chili chicken inside of the oven. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much. Just take it from the oven, guys, and this is the way it look. Roughly, as I said, 35 minutes inside of the oven. When it's near to cook, just spin it over and sprinkle some sweet chili sauce on it and put it back in the oven for another 5 more minutes. So basically, as I can see, that's the way all the sweet chili oven baked chicken looking lovely and nice. And remember, we marinated 24 hours ago. You can have this with newly potato or rice, whatever you like. You can have it with. So guys, enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you. Thank you so much, and hope to see you again. Bye.